most see me around alcohol, and I'm the most cause for stomach viruses.
Hi, I'm alcohol. I'm a way to escape from your problems, sometimes for good.
Hello, I'm inhalants. I can be found in every classroom and household. I can be doing damage to your nervous system without you even knowing.
Hi, I'm marijuana. I irritate your lungs and mess with your mind.
Hi, I'm pills. I attack your liver, lungs, and heart, and sometimes create lifelong effects.
On average, about 1.2 million teens from all over the world die from drugs or drug-related injuries. Around 3,000 of those deaths that occur, the victims are at least 13 years or younger. Drugs can not only have life-lasting effects on you, but the people around you, physically, socially, and emotionally.